How to use PAA to rank high on Google. Relational entity graphs for search. Here is a slide from a Google I/O 2016 talk that showcases a real-world graph for search results. Solid edges represent stronger relationships between nodes than the dotted lines. The above example shows there is a strong relationship between what are the traditions of Halloween and Halloween traditions, which makes sense. People searching for either of those would each be satisfied by quality content about Halloween traditions. Edge strength can also be determined by distributional similarity, lexical similarity, similarity based on word embeddings, etc. Number 2. Infinite PAA machine learning hypothesis. Google is providing additional PAAs based on the strongest relational edges to the expanded query. You can continue to see this occur in infinite PAA datasets. When a word with two lexical similarities overlaps, the suggested PAAs, the topic changes because of it. The above topic change occurred through a series of small relational suggestions. A PAA about this screenshot was what is SMO stands for, not a typo, just a neutral network doing its best, people. Which led to what is the meaning of SMO to what is a SMO brace for ankles. This immediately made me think of the relational word graph and what I envision Google is doing. My hypothesis is that the machine learning model computes that because I'm interested in SMO. I might also be interested in ankle braces SMO. There are ways for SMOs and digital marketers to leverage topical relevance and capture PAA's opportunities. 4 ways to optimize for machine learning and expand your topical research for PAA. Topical connection can also be made within your content, and by adding additional high-quality, topically related content, you can strengthen your content's edges and expand your SERP's real estate. Here are some quick and easy ways to discover related topics. Number 1. Quickly discover related topics via Mossbar. Mossbar is a free SEO browser add-on that follows you to do quick SEO analysis of web pages and SERPs. The on-page content suggestions features is a quick, simple way to find other topics related to your page. Step 1. Activate Mossbar on the page you are trying to expand your keyword reach with and click the page optimization. Step 2. Enter in the word you are trying to expand your keyword reach with. Step 3. Click on page content suggestions for your full list of related keyword topics. Step 4. Evaluate which related keywords can be incorporated naturally into your current on-page content. In this case, it will be beneficial to incorporate SEO tutorial, SEO tools, and SEO strategy into the beginner's guide to SEO. Step 5. Use any appropriate keyword discoveries to create stronger topic-based content ideas. This tactic was mentioned in Experts on the Wide episode on keyword research tools. Number 3. Answer the Public. Answer the Public is a great free resource to discover questions around a popular topic. Just remember to change your country if you are not seeking results from the UK, the default. Step 1. Enter in your keyword topic and select your country. Step 2. Explore the visualization of questions people are asking about your keyword. Doesn't this person look like they are admiring themselves in a mirror or taking a selfie? A magnifying glass doesn't work from that distance, people. Note, not all questions will be relevant to your research, like why roof of mouth hurts and why roof of mouth itches. Step 3. Scroll back to the top to export the data to CSV by clicking the big yellow button top right corner. Step 4. Clean up the data and upload the queries to your favorite keyword research tool, Moz Keyword Explorer, SEMrush, Google Keyword Planner, etc. to discover search volume and search feature data like featured snippets, reviews, related questions, PAA boxes, etc. Note, Google's Keyword Planner does not support SERP features data and provide vague bucket-based search volume. Number 4. Keyword research only questions. Moz Keyword Explorer provides an only questions filter to uncover potential PAA opportunities. Step 1. Enter your keyword into KWE. Step 2. Click keyword suggestions. Step 3. Filter by our questions. Pro tip: find group questions keyword opportunities by grouping keywords by low lexical similarity and ordering them from highest search volume to lowest. Step 4. Select keywords and add to a new or previous list. Step 5. Once in a list, KW will tell you how many related questions people also ask boxes opportunities are within your list. In this case, we have 18. Step 6. Export your keyword list to a campaign in Mouse Pro. Step 7. Filter SERP features by related questions to view PAA box opportunities. Step 8. Explore current PAA box opportunities and evaluate where you currently rank for related questions keywords. If you're on page 1, you have a better chance of stealing a PAA box. Evaluate what other SERP features are present on these SERPs. Here Dr. P tells me that I might be able to get a reviews rich snippet for gutter installation. Thanks, Dr. P. Hopefully this research can help you energize to do topical research of your own to grab some relevant PAAs. PAAs aren't going away anytime soon, and I'm so excited for us to learn more about them. Please share your PAA experiences, questions, or comments below. Thank you for watching this video. That's all for today. Please like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much. I'll see you tomorrow.